What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Northeast Bassin. If you guys don't know me yet, my name is Kyle. Today I'm out here with Ice Bear Fishing Tyler.
What's up, guys?
There he is. We're doing a little adventure time. You guys probably know something's up by the title. I forgot to film the intro first thing, so kind of doing it in the middle of the video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I need to do something. I didn't bring no backpack, so we're just doing a little test, seeing what is in here. I don't know what's in here. I know the next spot is probably Secret Pond, but we're getting there. We took the most ass backwards way to get here, but it was an adventure, so you're welcome. Tyler, how was the adventure?
It was stupid.
Yeah?
Don't ever fall, Kyle, into the woods.
Did you enjoy your fall?
Yeah.
You got a fish on, guys. Chill, chill. I'm trying to save you. You hooked yourself the worst possible way. Oh, yeah, a shiner? I don't know. Put him right back in there. Weird catch.
Tyler,
what are you doing?
The bass, bro.
Tyler's on a bass?
Dude. Bro, come on, calm down, calm down. Bro, he's a skinny little one.
I mean, he's stuck out here right now, unless he goes to Secret Pond.
Woo!
So this video went from carp fishing to whatever fishing. I might get back to carp fishing if we make our way to Secret Pond, but we'll see.
Wow, dude, there's so many smallmouth over here.
Tyler's on technically 3. 2 in this one spot. I caught that one little.
Why? Smallmouth bite like that.
Bite, 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 bite. And nope. Oh, as I popped it up. Another one of these guys. This one's starting to look like a carp, but it's not. Just the colors remind me of it.
It's not a white pearl.
This guy's a lot bigger.
Looks like he's just a native shad.
Maybe a native shad. If you guys, whoop, oh, he's gone. If you guys know what he is.
Took a picture.
What?
No, I'm like, well, if you guys took a picture in the video.
If you know what it is, let me know. But it's Tyler's lucky day. You guys got to check out his video once he posts it. Oh, he caught what I've been catching. Yeah, he caught a bigger one.
What is this thing? Dude, all I know
like I said, check out this man's video at Ice Bear Fishing. Check him out.
Oh.
He gutted it. I have pliers.
Yeah, I'm going to need them.
Here. Bite, bite.
I've never heard a fish make a noise like that.
Yo, he has like a catfish noise. Yeah, it has like a catfish noise. I don't know what it is.
Guys, if you have any idea what this is, I have absolutely no idea.
So as you guys know, I didn't bring out any bait. I came unprepared.
It sounds like a goddamn cat.
I thought I was carp fishing today, and here we are having a little adventure. But sometimes, you know, you just need an adventure time.
Alright. Best of luck to this guy.
If you guys haven't yet, subscribe to my channel.
No, he's gonna make it.
100 subscriber giveaway, giving away a brand new rod and reel with tackle. So we'll see how that makes out. If you guys can get me to 100 subs, I feel like I'm growing. I don't know. If you guys think my videos are improving, let me know. If you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see me do, fish for, whatever, comment. I'm down for anything. Or if you even just want to meet up and fish, let me know. God damn. What are you reeling in?
I think it's the same thing.
Same little thing? Oh, it's a bigger one. You just love...
Get to that, boys.
You just love catching those things, don't you? I don't know what they are, but...
I'm just gonna take a picture and post it on the page. Here you go, little guy. Stay free!
You got like the magic. Alright. What do we got? A perch?
Oh, there we go. At least you have something different. Now it doesn't
First perch of the day, guys. And he was kind enough to leave me the last worm. Ow. Ow, that's my finger. First perch of the day, guys. First perch. Boom. Yeah, I was saying normal bass bait because fucking smallmouths, bro.
What's up?
Smallmouth. So if you got normal bass bait, maybe you can pull in some more smallmouths.
That's what I'm hoping.
Alright, we ghetto rigged this worm back on. That fish has dragged the hook through my finger. So that hurt a little bit, but keep fishing. Yeah, so today's adventure just kind of turned out to be a whatever video. I mean, it's always good to have something that kind of wasn't planned or called for. Hopefully we can get on some bigger and better fish for you guys. I already kind of fell in, so why not just walk in? Holy moly, it feels worse than nice. It is cold. Walk in, get me a little advantage closer to these fishies. Because this rod's not meant for casting far, it's meant for getting carp. I don't know what's going on. But there's no houses in that direction. Are they stray dogs?
No, those are coyotes.
Yeah, coyotes. That's what I was figuring.
We're fishing right now. And there's signs for the coyotes.
Yeah, there's no houses over there. There's so many. Alright guys, I'm filming this outro before it gets too dark. Me and Tyler, we are wrapping it up.
Going home.
Yeah, after I took us on that little adventure.
Yeah, no.
But
There's a much simpler way, but we decided to go through the Amazon damn forest.
yeah, so we got the nice few mile walk back. By the time we get to the truck, it'll probably be dark.
No.
No? I don't know. The sun's going down pretty fast over here.
No, we'll be good.
But there's no carp today. I mean, I saw one. He bit it and then spit my hook. Two little fish, little dinks. Tyler on the fish all day.
We were on them today.
All right, well, I'll see you guys next time.
With this thing, too.
Have a great day.